National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a flash flood warning for Lawrence County in south-central Mississippi, Southeastern Lincoln County in south-central Mississippi, until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:55 p.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated seeing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Monticello, Robinwood, Warnilla, Sontag, Topeka, East Lincoln, Geddes, Oma, and Ruth. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.